Well, hi there. Dan again from Clean Guru. So, what's with the sunglasses? Well, it's kind of clickbait. Just something a little bit unusual, something different that maybe got your attention. What you're more used to seeing me in is probably my reading glasses. Why did I do that? Well, there's a role to be played, I guess, for something a little bit interesting, something graphical or some image that catches your attention. But I don't know if it necessarily goes a long way in landing a sale, getting you a big cleaning contract. Well, what marketing strategy could? I suggest it could be niching, really specializing your marketing. So for example, I saw the other day, someone might online offer SEO and digital marketing services. But that doesn't get your attention very much. But this morning, I saw one that said, their company, in fact, didn't even say company, they said, I specialize in helping cleaning business owners grow through SEO and digital marketing. Specializes in that, just in the cleaning industry. Well, that's different because that really gets your attention. You think, this individual really focuses exactly on me. Well, how does that apply to cleaning? Well, for example, let's say that you wanted to really specialize in manufacturing companies and in automobile dealerships. You wanted to land a lot more of those in your area. Well, let's say you put together 3 or 4 or 5 big things that you do specifically to take care of the problems that a car dealership would have or a manufacturing facility. So let's say, for example, for the car dealership, you worked on it and you said, listen, one of their big problems is they want to make sure that showroom, especially the windows to the entrance to the doors, just look beautiful. And let's say you have a strategy for that and you say, listen, every night, here's how we're going to do this to make sure they're squeegee, they're wiped, they're clean, the edges, those doors, that glass is going to look great. Same thing on the floor, the showroom floor, right? Here's how we're going to make sure it's polished, cleaned. Here's how we're going to make sure that looks good. Or the mats. It could be the drive-through, right? I think it's called the service drive-through, not the service area necessarily, but the drive-through where they're pulling cars in. And you could have a strategy for that. Back in the locker room, I remember we used to buy small auto scrubbers. This is the kind that were so small we could get them into locker rooms. And we would just use them in huge locker rooms to make sure the floors look good in there. We couldn't get the normal automatic scrubber in there, but we could get this small automatic scrubber. If you sent out a marketing piece, if you communicated a specialized marketing piece to auto dealers, really highlighting those 3 or 4 or 5 big things that you do differently, in the same way that we were talking about the SEO specialists specializing, that message would really resonate. It would really hit the auto dealerships that you send that to or communicate to and be more meaningful and impactful and get their attention more to see you as the expert in handling buildings like theirs. Now there's a marketing strategy that can help. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.